Hey Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fans, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to show you this pipe of Bilbo Baggins that I've got from Weta. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get right into this. This is just a beautiful piece that I have got here. So yeah, let's get right into this. And this is the pipe of Bilbo Baggins that you see in the Hobbit. When he was younger, not in Lord of the Rings, but when he was younger. Such a cool piece. Oh. There we go. And it's nice. It's yeah. This is a beautiful piece, guys. And it just sits in here like that. Has a little bit of wear on the inside. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. So you can see here as a close-up all the detail on this pipe. It's a long pipe too. Very long. There's the front there. Look how much detail is on this. So cool. Just awesome. Absolutely love this. Such a cool pipe. Hope you guys enjoyed this short, quick little video. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day. And you can see here with Bilbo and the ring, an older Bilbo with him in his display here. Just awesome.